Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Get your name and what's in here, man.
Yeah, I'm Travis at Team Def Bonds. I have two of the DB 3515s, and then I have the AAK 20K for my bass, and then I have the AAB 1000.2 and the 400.4 for my highs.
Nice. Did you build this box?
Yeah, yep.
Okay.
I built that inside of the trunk itself.
Okay, so you actually built, oh wow.
Yeah, it was pretty tough to get a box that big in the trunk.
Is it sealed off, so if the trunk's open, does that affect output, really?
Nope.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, it's
nice and
100% sealed.
And that's a big port.
Yeah, it's actually too small and run into a lot of port compression issues.
Really?
Yeah.
Man.
My scores aren't going up because they can't get enough air out of there.
Man. And have you tried opening the port up, like not opening but going longer?
Yeah, no, there's just not enough airspace.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, port
Yes,
velocity is
yeah.
like 96
instead
of 30,
oh,
under
okay.
30.
Yes, sir. Yeah, too much. Very nice. I really appreciate the demo.
Yeah, no problem.
Team Def Bounce, okay. Yep. Def Bounce, sorry, not Def Bounce.
I used to say bounce.
It's Bounce. Def Bounce. All right, let me go look at your amp rack. Hey, you have a good day, man.
You too.
Is that 4? Man, that's a big 3 inputs. Is this at 1 ohm?
No, it's actually a 1.8 right now.
1.8, okay.
Yeah, I typically run it for like competitions, but
Yeah.
daily at 1.8.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, you definitely built into it.
Oh, yeah.
Optimize your space all the way around.
Yeah, the bank I actually had to build down in there, like put it down in one cell by one cell.
Wow. Yeah, to make it work, yeah.
Put two banks.
Man.
transmission and a small 270
Really? Oh, wow.
and then that 20K.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, it holds pretty well.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.